You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne.
From the kitchen, we're bringing you here to our very small nook here with my sewing machine. It's almost a 70-year-old sewing machine I got from the thrift store, and it's very, very nice sewing machine. Now it's going to be in use for at least 2-3 weeks. We're going to make some mask and some bonnet for people that needs it, that are working in healthcare or supermarket, and we're making it for friends that may need it, since essentially everyone in the world needs at least 2 for each household, for each person, for each household, so we could change it whenever we go out. So that's why we're putting up this video. So we have this template of 8 by 15. I put it in a cardboard so it's easier for us to trace. And it's also easier for us if we are making a lot of masks. So that's why we have this template. And we have this another template later for the pleats. It has pre-measurements here, so we could just follow this one and we don't have to do it over and over.
Gonna took one time, climb on my top of mine, pull on my strings like kite. I don't know my left from right.
So we're going to cut this size of the cloth here. We'll start it with this side, just cutting it through. We don't have to be really perfect on our cut, but we want to make sure that it is very near the measured size, so it's easier later to follow the shape of the mask. Okay, now we are going to fold it into half with the wrong side of the cloth outside. Okay, we'll just align it like that. We have a 3 inches mark here in our template. We will follow this one. That will determine the opening of the mask later. At this side of the cloth, we'll leave an estimate of 1/2 inch, and then we'll mark our 3-inch marker there. On the other side of the cloth, the same thing, 3-inch marker. So now we're going to sew this edge, but we are going to sew it only to this marker.
Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday through.
And then we're going to sew another edge.
Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday through.
So we seal this part, and we seal this part. And we have an opening here. From this, we're going to flip it like this. The edge that we sew just a while ago will be in the middle of the cloth already. Okay, we flatten this one, and then we will put our elastic. Now it's time to put the elastic at the 4 edges. We'll just seal the elastic here. And then let's put the other edge of the elastic in this side. Okay. See? And then we will do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to sew this edge, and we're going to sew the other edge to seal the elastic that we put inside.
Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday through. Thursday and Friday and Saturday too. We'll look for a home that is just right for you.
So we have sewn this. We are going to do the same on the other side. So we have sewn both edges already, the edges with elastic. See that? It's time for us to flip it to the other side. It's like a transformation of butterfly. See this? This is the base of the mask. It's time for us to make pleats out of this one. So we're going to use this template with all the measurements in it. These are the markers of the pleats. We will put pin markers here, and we'll show you later on how we will make pleats out of these markers. By the way, thanks to Hobby Lobby's very simple video of this, I was able to follow through. I just added the templates for folks that are making a lot of masks to have guides when they make more masks. On the other side, we are going to put templates too, the pins also. When you're getting used to making masks, you just kind of estimate the pleats. You don't have to make it like an exact measurement. But right now, for learning purposes, we start from here. I also start with this one before I get used to just estimating.
Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday through Thursday and Friday and Saturday too. We'll look for a home that is just right for you.
Now we're going to make the pleats. This one goes to the next marker. And then we'll remove it, and then we'll attach this to each other. And then the other side, we're going to do the same. They look aligned, so that. Okay? And then the next one, align it again.
Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday through Thursday and Friday and Saturday.
And then seal it again with the pin. Go to the other side. Sealing the last one here. Okay.
Only took one time, climb on my top of mine.
Now we're going to sew the edges.
Only took one time, climb on my top of mine. Pull on my strings like kite. I don't know my left from right. More than a fling on the weekend, more than a slide in a DM. You got me on the whole, another level.
That's one side.
Mama said I should be careful. I admit it. I'm under it. Your influence moving.
Now we have a complete mask. That easy. So this is our mask. It fits perfectly here.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain.
See, this can be expanded
You're
down.
like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain.
Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, we'll have our playlist here of all our other videos if you're interested in watching those. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!